5 new recruits defect from Nat Yekan Tong military base in Magwe region. 5 newly recruited soldiers deserted from the Myanmar military's Nat Yekan Tong strategic base in Ngape Township, Magwe region, according to an officer from the People's Defense Force, No. 2 Battalion of Minbu District. The escape took place on the night of September 9th at around 10:30 p.m., when the defectors fled with a rifle, ammunition, and military uniforms. The 5 men had been deployed from Infantry Battalion 520 under MOC 17, originally transferred from Mongpan Shan State to Magwe region. The defectors were identified as Private Nian Mient Miat, Private Ong Ong, Private Ong Kine, Private Phyo Ko Ko, Private Za Tue. All 5 had completed basic training in batches 9, 11, and 13 under MOC 17 before being sent to the front. They were later stationed at Light Infantry Battalion 905 in Nat Yekan Tong, where fierce clashes with the Arakan Army, AA, had erupted. During those battles, the junta reportedly suffered heavy casualties. More than 50 soldiers, including a deputy battalion commander and a major from Lin K base, deserted, prompting growing unrest among troops at the camp. We were transferred from Shan State to Nat Yekan, where intense fighting with the AA was happening. While we were with LIB 905, over 50 soldiers, including the battalion commander and a major from Lin K, ran away. After that, our phones were confiscated. We had already tried to escape back in training but failed. This time, we managed to get out, explained Private Nian Mient Miat, one of the defectors. The soldiers also revealed that new recruits are denied full salaries, with deductions taken for arbitrary reasons. They further claimed that the military deliberately uses fresh recruits as frontline cannon fodder, forcing them into high-risk combat